Although some Android devices now have this cloning option in their settings, but this option is quite limited to just few apps, just like you can see on your screen right now. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the best apps that you can actually use to clone any application in your Android device easily. And if you're having any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. To get started, simply open your Play Store app. Now, the first app is actually called Multiple App. So once you search for it, you're going to see this app at the top that is called Multiple Account Dual Space by the MA team, and it's having about $50 million right now. So all you have to do is just install this app and you'll be able to use it to clone any application in your Android device. Then moving on to the second application that you can actually use for this. This app is actually called Parallel App. So just spell it exactly how you are seeing me spelling it. So once you search for this, you are going to see the app. The app is by Dual Peak, or is it Dual Peak? I don't know how they pronounce it, but you can see the full name in here. Parallel App, Dual App Cloner. So you can also use this app to actually, clone any application in your Android device. Now, the third app is actually called Dual Multiple Accounts. So you can see I've already searched for this before. So like I said, is do multiple accounts. So search for it and you should actually see it. So don't actually get confused, because you can see that another one is showing at the top. So it's actually this one, this exact one that you can see, do multiple accounts. So this is the exact one. So right now it's having 10 million downloads. So you can see it's by Riverstone Tech. So make sure the one you are downloading is by Riverstone Tech. So this one can actually also be used to clone any application on your device. Now the fourth app that can actually do this is Parallel Space. So take note, I'm not saying parallel app this time, I'm saying Parallel Space. So just simply insert that and search for it, and you are going to see the app. It's not this one at the top, it's actually this second one that you can see, which is Parallel Space by LBE Tech. So let's go into this application. So you can see that this application is actually having 100 million downloads. So that means that this app is very, very good. So you can also use this app to clone any application on your Android device multiple times, so you can use it for anything that you want to use it for. Lastly, the fifth app is called Super Clone. So let's search for it. So as you can see, this is the app right here. Super Clone Multiple Accounts. So you can see it's having 10 million downloads. So this is the exact app, and it's by Poster App Cloner Dev. I think that means development. So make sure this is the exact one that you are downloading. So you can actually also use Super Clone to clone any application on your device. So anyone that you actually prefer, you can use any of these five that I just mentioned to clone your Android application easily. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.